Thank you for staying with Republic. Our top focus at this hour, as Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar is currently attending a key meet with Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence. This is ahead of the 8th round of Centre Farmer Talks that are all set to take place at 2 p.m. today. Now, farm union leaders have reached Vigyan Bhavan, where they will be calling on the centre for further talks on the ongoing stalemate. And just a short while ago, we also showed you pictures of how security has been heightened at Vigyan Bhavan. Remember, it's been 44 long days that the agitation continues, and the farmers who are planning to intensify the stir if a consensus does not come about anytime soon. Yesterday, we also saw a dry run of the tractor agitation that the farmers are planning to hold on the 26th of January if the stalemate continues. Meanwhile, continuing to get you the latest updates as Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar is in a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah ahead of the talks that are set to begin at 2 p.m. this afternoon. We've also been continuing to get you all the latest reactions of the farmer leaders who are hoping and trying that the agitation does end soon and hopefully a resolution does come about. The centre also hoping for the same. But what really happens today, as the 8th round of talks will begin in half an hour from now, and our team of reporters joining us live on the broadcast as they continue to get us all the latest updates. Madhurima is outside Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, where Madhurima, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has reached, and talks are underway between the two ministers ahead of the farmer talks that are set to begin at 2 p.m. Important to understand how the government is going to approach the talks today, because we've seen several rounds of talks already happened, inconclusive, and the farmers refusing to budge from their position as they're asking for assurances. How is the government going to tackle the situation now?
Well, meeting is underway at the Home Minister's residence. The Agriculture Minister is also here. Now the thing is that it has to be seen that how will the government approach these people? How will the government really, approach the farmers? Because now the stalemate is on two things. The stalemate is on just two things, which one of them is the repealment and the second is MSP, where we know that the on two steps the agreement has been done. But last meeting was inconclusive. It was rather a shorter meeting in comparison to all the previous meetings. Now today the government will see that how will they make understand all these farmers that the farm bill is for them. If the farm bill is meant to empower them, they are holding this meeting before every round of talks between the farmers and the central government. Such meetings were a habit, and in the similar fashion, today also this meeting is underway. We know that the government is also under a lot of pressure because it's now been over a month, and to be frank, it's inching around 40 days now that these farmers have blocked the capital in all the 5 borders of the national capital, and it's impacting the national capital and neighboring states in a massive way. So the government is also making umpteen efforts, but the rigidity from both the sides when it comes to the repealment of the laws is the basic point which needs to be dealt with as of now.